How to add Facebook page to Google business profile. In this video, I'll be teaching you how you can add Facebook page to this Google business profile. So this is very simple. Just follow me to the end. The first step is to log in into your Google business account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you're brought to the page where you can see different options, alright, containing how you can redesign your Google business to suit your needs. And then you can see your business name as well as the category and then the address. And then the next step is to go up and then click on the edit profiles option, which is located next to read receipt. Once you've selected the edit profile, you take it to the business information page where you'd see 5 tabs which include about, contact, location, hours, and more. These tabs are what you can use to customize your page, and then our focus is on the contact option. So just go ahead and click on it. And then once you've clicked on it, the contact option or information include phone number, website, then social profiles. All right, then that's our focus. Just click on social profiles, and then once you click on social profiles, you'll see box social profile. Click on it. Once you've clicked on it, select Facebook, and then ensure that you've copied a link to that Facebook page already, and then just come here, paste the link, and then click on save, and then just like that, the Facebook page should be added to your Google business profile such that people can access your Facebook page through your Google business. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.